nowadays you can see the networks are under attacks, networks are under targets. And in the next coming, you can see here, and I will give you this link as well, where you can see the live traffic going on right now, how many threats are going on. So you can see, this is, I just putting some videos as well, which show you how many networks attacks right now, as of now, are happening. Okay. So if you just click this link, you can also see the live traffic, live network attacks as are happening. So this checkpoint has actually created these, where you can see the different attacks are exploited, phishing, malware. These are the live attacks, as you can see. Okay, top targeted countries. Okay, these are the top targeted industry. Education is the target. Utilities, government. So network, you can see as of now they are under attack from everywhere, from all over the world. So that is why the cyber or network security is a critical thing right now nowadays. For next 10 years, the cyber security engineers are everywhere. Every company needs cyber security or network security engineer in order to overcome these problems. Okay, so you can see the recent daily attacks. 1st of December, 8th of January, these are maybe not the least. Okay, 28th of February. So you can see these are the number of attacks every day happening. Okay, 6, 7, 8. So you can see. So this is the live link I can give you right now. You can also go in this link and you can have a look on your side. Okay, so it's just an illustration. Top malware types: botnet, phishing, backdoor. So this is a huge problem. We are connecting to the internet and we need to use the internet on a daily basis. And the idea is actually we can, attacks are coming from all over the world. Trojan, malware, viruses, botnet, phishing, backdoor. These are the day-to-day attacks are coming every other day. Okay. So what are the driver of the network security? So you can see some common terminology of the network security: assets, threats, vulnerabilities, mitigation, and risk. So these are the terminology you will see. Okay. Every day. What are vulnerability? We will be discussing every item in detail. Like assets we already know, the network assets you have. Even somebody has a small business, he has a website, this is his assets. If the website is down, there is no business. Threats, of course, we will see all the threats. Vulnerability, anybody knows a vulnerability? Vulnerability means weakness. Every operating system, every hardware, software have some weakness. Mitigation, how we can avoid them, and what are the risks associated. So these are the terms you will see over the period of time. Where can be networks happening? You can see the networks attacks can be external threats, okay, or it can be internal threats. So most likely, if you are you're going outside to the internet or you're coming back from the internet, so external people are outside. There are a lot of people outside. They are sitting there and they are actually launching an attack based on the network common problems. Just to show you what are the network topologies we have.